In this video, I am gonna share what OpenClaw is, how to set it up and run fully local using Ollama. Let's get started. So the first question is, what is OpenClaw? Let me explain in a simple way. Suppose ChatGPT is like a brilliant friend and you call them on the phone. They can think, they can talk, they can even give you really good advice, but they cannot move anything around in your house, right? So OpenClaw is that same friend, but now imagine you handed them the keys to your house. Now they can open your files, run your scripts, update your notes for you. They can even send messages on your behalf, and they can do all of this on their own, on a schedule without you typing every single time. The brain part is the LLM, the model that does the actual thinking. But one important point you need to remember, OpenClaw is model agnostic. That means you can plug any brain you want into it. And today we are gonna plug in a local model that runs right on your own laptop. I hope now you understand what OpenClaw is. Now the next question is, why bother running it local? The answer is there are three real reasons. The first reason is zero cost. Once the model is downloaded on your machine, you can use it forever. No bill, no surprises. The second reason is privacy. Your prompts never leave your laptop. Nobody is logging what you ask the agent. And honestly, this point is more important than people admit. And the third reason is it works offline, on a plane, in a coffee shop with bad Wi Fi, anywhere. As long as your laptop is on, your agent will work. Now let's actually set it up. One important point before we install. There is only one command that does most of the work. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. But first, let me tell you what you actually need on your machine. So there are three requirements before we start. The first one is Ollama. So the next question is, what is Ollama? The answer is Ollama is a free tool. It lets you run AI models directly on your own computer. In simple words, it is like having an AI brain that lives on your laptop instead of someone's server far away. So you just have to go to ollama.com, download the installer for your operating system, install it. It takes 2 minutes. Done. The second one is at least 8 GB of RAM, but 16 GB is much better for agent work. So the next question is, why do we need this much RAM? Because agents need a longer context window. OpenClaw actually recommends at least 64K tokens, and longer context needs more memory. If you have a GPU, then even better, but CPU works too, just a little slower. By the way, one important point here. If your current laptop doesn't have enough RAM and you have been thinking about upgrading for AI work, I would recommend you to check out a few options. For a budget-friendly pick, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim series is really good. It comes in 16 GB configurations and it is easy to find online. If you want something a little more powerful, then look at the HP Pavilion series. Slightly higher price but really solid build for developers. And if you are a Mac person, then honestly, the MacBook Air M series is amazing for local AI. Because of how the unified memory works, it handles local models way better than regular laptops in the same price range. I have added the links for all of these in the description below, and you can also find them in the tagged products. Do check them out. And remember, only upgrade if you actually need to. And the third one in the requirement, this is the part most people get wrong. You need a tool capable model. So the next question is, what is a tool capable model? Tool capable model is a model that has been trained to call functions, not just chat back at you. Without this, OpenClaw cannot use the model as an agent. It will just produce text and never actually do anything useful. Got it? So good models to start with. We got Llama 3.2, Quen 2.5, GPT-oss 20B, and Gamma 4. For this video, I am gonna use Llama 3.2. It still handles tool calling fine, which is exactly what we need for agent work. Just remember, it is a smaller model, so on trickier multi-step tasks, it might need a nudge. Alright, now let's install it, and you will see It is gonna be very fast. If you only remember one command from this entire video, remember this one. Ollama launch OpenClaw model llama 3.2. That is literally the only command you need. So what does this command actually do? The answer is it checks if OpenClaw is installed on your system. If it is not, then it installs it for you using npm. After that, it pulls the llama 3.2 model if you don't have it already. It sets up the gateway in the background and then opens up the terminal interface ready for you to chat. One command done. You don't need to touch any config files. No environment variables to set anywhere. No providers to define manually. Ollama just handles all of it for you. When it finishes, you will see the OpenClaw terminal interface. There is a prompt waiting for you, ready to go. So type something simple in the OpenClaw terminal like hello, who are you and which model are you running on. When you send it, the agent replies back. It tells you which model it is using. If it does, quite good. You are talking to a model that lives on your machine. Now the satisfying part. Turn off your Wi-Fi. Yes, really. Now I know what you might be thinking. Is this really going to work with no internet at all? So let's find out for ourselves. Type another message, something like summarize what we just talked about so far, and see. It still replies back. Now take a second and look at your Wi Fi icon. It is completely off, and your AI just replied to you. Because no API call is going out anywhere, the whole brain lives on your laptop now. Alright, so let's wrap this up. You learned what OpenClaw actually is, an agent runtime that lets an AI take real actions on your machine. Then you ran one single command, just Ollama launch OpenClaw, and got the whole setup running fully local. You even proved it works offline by turning off your Wi Fi. And one more thing before we wrap up. If you wanna go deeper on Ollama itself, like building your own Python apps, custom RAG applications, or fine tuning your own models, I would recommend you to check out this Udemy course called Zero to Hero in Ollama. It picks up right where this video ends. Link is in the description below. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button. It helps other people find this video. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. A few links in this video are affiliate links. If you purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. I only recommend resources I trust and find valuable.